And we just got 2 of each.
2 of each mystery pack.
We're gonna open. Not that one.
Aiden hung up on me.
He did.
Look, it's you hung up on me.
He's learning after Kyler.
You hung up on Grandma.
Who do we got?
Hey, hi. Hi, cutie pie. Hello there, handsome.
And me, here you got.
Handsome.
And it's a very cool one. Who is it?
They gave you 2 stickers.
Yeah.
That's Maelstrom. Is that what it say? Let me see.
What is it? What kind of
And
color
you
is it?
can put them
Yeah.
on this side.
I'll watch it on TV when you're done. When Daddy posts it.
He got 2 stickers in 1 pack this time.
Oh, they must have made a mistake, huh?
Or they just knew how cool he was.
Look at it. I put it on both sides.
Okay.
Hey there, handsome. Oh, hello. He's looking at me. What a cutie pie.
And here's the figure we got. Another one is really fat.
Different cards?
So,
What?
Are the cards different from the ones to get?
Sometime.
uh-oh. Which one do we got? You hoping?
Yep, he got the sticker wrapper.
We already had this one.
You already got that one?
Yeah. We didn't have it. We didn't have
No,
it.
we don't have that one?
No.
We
We don't have it, Grandma.
What?
We don't have it.
Good, I'm so glad. Whoa, I like that one.
Let's see the sticker.
What is it?
That's a Mini Cooper.
A Mini Cooper?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Mini
Oh, is
Cooper.
it a Mini Cooper? They have Mini Coopers out and about. Oh, he likes the sound of that.
That's the wrapper.
Look at him.
Can we just put it like this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Did he eat any of the peaches that you brought home that one time?
Yeah, he did.
But I think this one, Daddy.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice
Nathan,
one.
who's up at the theater?
All right, until next time.
Beats the collar.